We're going to be assembling the ballot box that is used to hold scanned paper ballots on Election Day. Locate the ballot box tote in the caddy. It has a black cloth bag with a black handle and blue tag. Begin by removing the privacy wings, and then by pulling the ballot box from the tote. Position the folded ballot box with the pull to set up label, metal hinges, and white string all facing the front. Flip it 90 degrees and release the lid by unhooking the 3 rubber bands near the bottom. Next, unlatch the 4 clips. There are 2 on each side of the ballot box. Place your hands on the pull to set up stickers and pull open the ballot box. Be sure to avoid the yellow areas marked as pinch points. Press the side panels until they are flat. Next, lower the bottom panel inside the box. It does not need to drop all the way down. Be sure to check that the inside cloth drop box and make sure that it is fully expanded. This might push the floor down a bit. Then pull the white string up. This will unlock the lid latch. Next, gently lift the lid while pulling up. Lay the lid flat across the top of the ballot box and press down lightly. Do not force it. It should sit flush with the box. Unlock the front door of the ballot box with your black key. Inside the ballot box, on the Press Here stickers, push down to firmly lock the bottom panel in place. You are ready to place the V-scan on top. Get the V-scan from the caddy. It will also have a blue tag just like the ballot box. Align the foot pads on the V-scan with the indentations on top of the ballot box. The V-scan handle should be facing towards the front, same as the ballot box door. Reach inside the ballot box and push the white string back. This locks the lid and secures the V-scan. Grab your black key again and lock the ballot box door. Then attach the privacy wings on either side of the V-scan. On the back of the V-scan, you can see a black port for the power. Find the V-scan cords bag and remove the power cord with attached power brick and plug. Plug one end into the back of the V-scan and leave the other side unplugged for Monday night. This completes the setup.